Hello, and welcome to the new training center. We're excited to introduce you to our upgraded platform. In this video, we'll walk you through the new navigation so you can get up to speed quickly and easily. As you can see, the navigation has been streamlined and now appears at the top of the page. We call this the Mega Nav, designed to make your experience smoother and more intuitive. Let's explore the Mega Nav. When you click on My Learning, you'll discover several key areas. Learner Home. This brings you back to your home page. Learning Library. Previously known as the Content Library, this is where you'll find all available courses. Assigned Training. Need to find your assigned courses quickly? This is the place to go. Live Sessions. Access live training sessions when available. Instructors. Get to know your course instructors. Achievements. This is where you can download any required course certificates and track your progress. On your learner homepage, you'll find several dashboards to help you manage your learning journey. My Training. View all your active courses. Not started. See courses you've yet to begin. Recommended for you. Personalized course recommendations based on your interests and needs. Favorites. Quickly access courses you've marked as favorites in the Learning Library. On the right side of the screen, you can track your recent achievements and easily register for any upcoming live sessions. We hope this overview helps you navigate the new training center with confidence. Dive in, explore, and enjoy your learning experience.